Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless LAN module, wireless WAN module, display panel assembly, and hinge cover. Removal. Carefully separate the display panel cable from the adhesive that secures it to the display enclosure. Carefully separate the touchscreen board from the adhesive that secures it to the display enclosure. Carefully separate the touchscreen from the adhesive and retention tabs on the display enclosure. Lift and remove the touchscreen.
Replacement. Place the touchscreen in position on the display enclosure. Carefully press down on the touchscreen to adhere it to the display enclosure. Carefully press the touchscreen board to adhere it to the display enclosure. Route the display panel cable into the routing channel on the display enclosure.